Okay, this is lesson 1 for the 5th Mishnah in Perek HaMiniach. It's on Lamed Aleph, Amud Aleph. So it starts over here, Masnisin, right? It says, Shnei Kadarim. If you would have two potters. Potters are two people. We'll make them over here. This is potter 1. This is potter 2. Let's make A and B. Shnei Kadarim. You have two potters, Shahiyah Mahalchim Zeh Achar Zeh, that were walking one after another. So we should really make a street here. Let's do a street. And then we'll do, the street doesn't go through their heads, but let's just do it like this. Okay. We'll take away that, let's see if we can get him back to, okay. And they're walking one after another. V'niskal harishon v'nafal. Let's get this back. The first one tripped. Niskal is he tripped or stumbled, and v'nafal and he fell. So let's put in here stumbled. It's too fat. 1 second. I'm sorry. Let's do this one. Let's see. Still big. All right. Have to suffer. Stumbled, and he fell. So let's take this guy over here, and we'll put him on the ground. So this Mr. B is now on the ground, and there he is, laying flat on the floor. I'll make another one to make it look like he's falling. There he is. Okay, so Potter B stumbled and he fell. V'niskal hasheni berishin. The second one tripped over the first one. So the halacha is harishin chayev b'niskei hasheni. The first one is responsible for the damages that he caused to the second person. Okay, he did something wrong. There's two possibilities of what he did wrong. I'll put down the two possibilities, then we'll go through it. Either the problem is niskal, and that's called stumbling. Oops. Or the problem is loy amad. He did not stand. Did not stand up is the point. He did not stand up. It's two possibilities. There's no question that the only reason why this fellow here is chayev is because he did something wrong. You don't make someone chayev if he doesn't do anything wrong. He caused the damage and he wasn't allowed to. So the damage that he causes to this person is to A. What did he do wrong? We're going to see. So Rabbi Yochanan says, Lo tema. Lo tema means do not say. Let's make a little terminology over here. Lo tema. Do not say. Write this in. Let's see. This is word number 1. Okay. Lo tema, do not say, masnisin, that our Mishnah, Reb Meir he is Reb Meir. The Amar, which Reb Meir says, niskal peisheyahu v'chayev, that a person that stumbles is negligent. Peisheya means negligence, and that's why he's chayev. So notice, don't say that our Mishnah. The reason is because of, yeah, we'll go like that. And this is. Don't say that it's option 1, that it's because he stumbled and that's why he's going to be chayev, which that's the opinion of Reb Meir. Elafilu l'Rabbanan, even according to the Rabbanan, the Amri that say, anasu upater, that a person that stumbles is an anus. It's considered an accident, and he's pater. But hacha chayev, hacha. Hope by now you remember hacha. Hacha means here. Hacha, you're going to be chayev. And the reason is because you should have stood up. So it's really this reason. You should have stood up, and you didn't stand up. So you did something wrong. Let's make a number 3 over here. And this is Lo Hizir, which we're about to learn from Reb Nachman bar Yitzchak. Lo Hizir is did not warn. As this fellow is on the floor, he should have announced that, be careful, I'm on the floor. Reb Nachman bar Yitzchak Amar, Rabbi Nachman bar Yitzchak says, Afilu tema, even if you say, Lo haya lo lamed, that he was not able to stand. In other words, it was not on him. Lo haya lo, it was not to him the ability to stand. But nevertheless, haya lo lahazir, he should have warned v'lehizir, and he didn't warn. Now, Rabbi Yochanan didn't say this reason. Rabbi Yochanan said specifically that it's because he didn't stand up. So, Rabbi Yochanan Amar, Rabbi Yochanan says, kivan, since that he didn't have the ability to stand, so he didn't have to warn either. And the reason is detarid, because he is preoccupied. I'll put that word down over here. It's spelled like this, tarid. And it means busy or preoccupied. So basically what Rabbi Yochanan would hold, if this person did not have the time to stand up before this person tripped over him, Rabbi Yochanan would say that this person's pater. And Rabbi Nachman bar Yitzchak would say that he's chayev, even though he didn't have the ability to stand up, but he definitely had the ability to shout out, watch out, I'm on the floor, don't trip on me. Okay, so in this lesson 1, we've learned the Mishnah that says chayev, and we've learned 3 possible reasons why he's chayev. In other words, 3 possible reasons what the case is. The first one gets rejected immediately, that it's niskal, and we say that that would only be Reb Meir's opinion. And so we have Rabbi Yochanan's opinion that it's because he didn't stand up, but we have Reb Nachman bar Yitzchak's opinion that he didn't warn him.